Welcome to Forsyth Tech's Collision Repair and Refinishing Technology program. I'm going to show you a little bit about our center and what all we've got and we offer here at the center. And also to tell you how the ICAR Collision Education Foundation has helped us since last year and has made a lot more we're able to teach. First off, this comes into our body shop program. We have 3 full-time instructors and 3 part-time instructors. We'll go over here, our paint booths. We're very fortunate that we ended up with a new center 3 years ago. A lot of it we didn't get to finish furnishing and offer stuff we wanted to offer. We have 2 paint booths that sit externally. And this is the booths I was telling you about. We were fortunate to be able to get them wider and longer so we can include all the students. They had room to get around and learn. We have 2 of them with a mixing room. Big enough we can take the students in all at once to show them mixing procedures. We go through waterborne, solvent-based, and low VOC paints. The students are capable at this center to learn all types of paints and all different brands.
My name is Jerry Stroud. I work here for Forsyth Tech Collision Repair as an instructor, and I just want to take this opportunity to show you some of our facility. This is our prep stations where the students can come in and they can get a vehicle sanded, do body work, prime work. They can also tape it, have it prepared for to go in the paint booth. It's a cleaner environment, good ventilation. We also have heat. There's bake and cure in these booths. We've got 4 bays, and it makes for a cleaner environment for students to work. This time I'd like for us to go look at our frame racks and show you what. Here we are at our frame racks. We've got 2 Black Hawk frame racks, new state of the art. We got these when the facility was open, brand new. We also got a full chain board, tools and clamps that we got when we got the system. We also have a sharp measuring beam we can use to measure the equipment with. The students really enjoy it. They seem to pick up on it quickly. Ties in line with our CCC1 estimating systems. And so at this time I'd like to go show you our welding department. Here we are in the welding department. We have 22 welding stations set up with a MIG and a TIG welder in each station. We also have ventilation over each station to keep out any fumes, hazardous fumes might be. Each student, we usually have the classes at 20 students, so each student can work in each booth and they're not cramped up, which is great for safety. Each booth has a curtain and it works out really well. This is where we teach all the welding for the transportation department up here. We'll look at our fab part. Here we are in our custom fab shop. This is where we teach custom fabrication and custom design projects. These are some of the projects we are working on currently. Some of the equipment that we have down here to work with. We've got lathes and brakes, shears, all the equipment that the students need. It's adjacent to the welding department, so if the project needs to be brought into the welding department, they can just roll straight through. And this is some of the projects that they're working on at this time.
We want to conclude and tell you thank you for considering us for this grant. We'd be very thrilled it would help us. In the past, we're having to turn students away because we don't have the tools to cover the number of students we have, and we want to stay current and most up to date. And y'all help provide this through the ICAR that you helped us with last year, and we just want to tell you thank you, like I said, for considering us and letting us be part of the program that you have.